Hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, something very different as we delve into some viewer mail. Well, it's a pretty well-known fact that I am not a fan of unboxing videos. In fact, I think they're kind of silly myself, but I kind of think this is different. And just a little while ago, it was, I think, early last week, I got contacted by a guy in Colorado from Scroller Nation. You may have seen him comment on the show down below, and he wanted to send me a package. And yesterday, this thing shows up in my mail. And although I do know some of the contents of it, there is some stuff that he was kind of vague in what was there. So I thought, you know what? Why not let you see it the same time I do, and we'll check out what's in this box. And well, who knows? It's this could go really well, or this could go really poorly. But either way, let's get to the bench and cut this thing open, because I've been dying since yesterday to open it up. So let's get over to the bench. Well, I've covered up all of the pertinent information here, of course, because we don't need to spread his address around, nor do we need to spread mine. But I will carefully just cut the tape here. I'm always worried about doing this, that I'm going to cut too deep into the package and damage some of the items inside. So let's hope that's not the case here. But he's definitely packaged this well. This is so exciting. I don't get very much mail from viewers. I do get some, but not a lot. Anyway, let's get this thing open. Well, I've changed the positioning of the box so that I'm not revealing everything at once as I open this box up, because I'm not really sure what I'm dealing with here. But let's just see what we've got. And right on the top, we've got we've got like a catalog from PS Wood Machines with a whole bunch of blade width and okay, a whole bunch of cool information in here. Okay, I can really dig this. This actually may end up costing me money, but that's okay. I can really deal with a new little wood catalog from PS Wood Machines. And as well, I have only ever seen this online, so it's nice to actually have a gloss hard copy of it. And what this is an Olsen scroll saw blade selection chart. And I have seen this before with their different types of blade, the different types of wood and thicknesses, and which blade you should use for each application. So that is definitely very cool, and it'll be a great addition in the shop. I'll be using that for sure. Okay, we're gonna slide that off to one side and pull out the next little thing here. I'm not quite sure what we're looking at here. All right, we've got some wood samples here. Gotta love that. Now, if I was a betting man, I'd say that was either ash or oak just by looking at the grain pattern and what it is. I'll have to give Scroller Nation a shout just to verify, or who knows, maybe I'll look it up and see if I can't ID it with some of my wood ID books. But yeah, if I was a betting man, I'm going to say that would be either ash or oak. But I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Just ask my wife. Okay, let's push those aside. This is awesome. I could get packages like this every day. I wouldn't complain at all. Ooh, I like this. Okay. All right. Some of you guys know that I am a licensed welder as well, and this is really cool. And what they've done, or what he's done, is he's taken copper and basically welded it up in such a way to get this really cool, almost like a diamond geometric. Man, what could I do with this? I'm sure that I can incorporate that into a project for sure. That is awesome. And I'm already thinking of ways that copper needs to be polished up And oh man, the brain is turning here. So this needs a project idea now. So you know what? Let me throw it out to you guys out there, and you can tell me what you think I should do with this. Shoot me some comments below and give me your suggestions or ideas, because this thing opens up a world of possibilities for different projects. And you know, there's absolutely nothing wrong with getting some stickers in there. And I do have my mechanic's tool chest that I keep out where my truck is, and it is loaded with stickers, and I will definitely be adding these to that collection so it can be proudly displayed there in the lid. So thank you very much for the stickers as well. I don't know what it is about stickers. It's the smallest little thing, but it makes woodworkers, welders, whatever you are, it just makes guys so happy to have stickers. I don't know. There's a man after my own heart right here, sending me out, sending me out a bulletproof package so that this old guy can't get it open, but that's okay. We'll get, there we go. This is awesome, and what this is oh my goodness, it's quite a package here of scroll saw blades. And wow, this is these are number 5 super sharps from PS Wood Machine Super Sharps. Wow, these are absolutely awesome, and I am looking forward to trying these out. Now I can see already there's no reverse tooth here, which is something very different from me. I'm a huge fan of using reverse tooth blades on the scroll saw, so wow, I'm looking forward to checking these out and seeing exactly how they perform. And I will be sure to let everybody on the show know exactly what I think of these blades. And that's going to be a blast to try to give them a try and see how they work out in the shop. Okay, this is kind of cool. Yeah, I know, paper cups, right? But that's all right. That's for mixing and stuff and filler in the packaging and that sort of thing. But this is the part that I think is kind of cool. And what this is liquid inlays. And you can see here that it's kind of like almost like a reddish kind of, well, it's, I don't even know what to tell you about it other than it is a liquid inlays kit. This is awesome. I'm kind of speechless on this one here, because this again is stuff that I don't really have easily accessible to me in my area. And when you do have it available to you, the cost of it is absolutely, it's just out of this world. So this is really cool that the inlay hardener with the bottle nozzle, and of course the can of this inlay material is absolutely spectacular. It's Inlace, the liquid inlay it's called. So wow, I'm looking forward to trying that as well. So I guess we can look forward to seeing this on the show at some point in time also. Okay, I have to get the liquid inlays stuff out of the way here to show you this next item that I just pulled out of the box. Check that out. Check this out. No, this is not macaroni and cheese mix powder. That is not what that is. What this is it's suede text. This is for flocking. And I've never seen it come in orange. I mean, I have red, I have blue, I have green, black, but I've never seen it available in my area in orange. So this is epic. This is a ton of orange flock, plenty to do several projects. And we all know that if you've used flocking or you've seen it used on my show, it is absolutely useless without the adhesive. So he's even sent me a can of the orange adhesive to go with it, which is absolutely spectacular. And if that wasn't sexy enough, the guy sends me a flocking applicator as well. This is absolutely spectacular. I love me some flocking. Now I just got to get some flocking projects. I feel like an infomercial right now, because it's like, but wait, there's more. And what would a flocking kit be without the instructions on how to do it and the brush to apply the flocking adhesive? So what he's done by sending me this here, as he's made it so that there is absolutely no excuse for me not to be able to flock the inside of some of my projects. And I think that's absolutely awesome and very generous of him to send this collection of flocking to me. That is absolutely spectacular. Okay, the bench is getting full. We got to move all this stuff aside again. I'm running out of room over here because this next thing that I've just pulled out of the box is, well, you know what? It is right up my alley. And what it is this. And that is awesome. And wait, there's one more piece. Woohoo! Check that out. Okay, what this is the upper and lower blade retention pieces for my Excalibur, for the EX30. And while the EX30 is built as solid as they come pretty much, parts wear out, guys, and it's only a matter of time. Now, these parts are obviously not new and there is some wear, but yet I don't see it as excessive wear. So these will be, without a doubt, awesome replacement parts for when both my tensioning arm or the upper or lower blade guard give out on the EX30. And as well, he's also supplied one of these, and that of course is the tensioning lever for the saw. So it's always great to have spare parts for your tools and equipment, especially serviceable parts like this that do wear out over time. So that is absolutely fantastic that he has sent these along, and I will add them into the storage drawers of my scroll saw and tuck it away for that dreaded day when I need parts for my Excalibur. Holy crap, I got wood glue. Who would have thunk? Wood glue. That is awesome. This is cool. It's like Christmas. Christmas in February. Wait a second, it's March. Okay, hang on. I'm moving on. Next item. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys got to check this out. This is epic. Look at this. What is it? What this is Scroller Nation sells these kits, and you make a clock out of this, and they've cleverly welded a horseshoe to a rather large washer for a stand, and he's also provided, as part of the kit, these square horseshoe nails, and as well, this is what blows my mind, he's also provided me with, I'm so excited I can't even get it open. Okay, I can't get it open right now, I'm too excited. So here, a clock bezel to put into a clock. Now, I'm gonna have to design my own wooden piece to go back here. Obviously something on the scroll saw. Maybe I'll get a chance to use those new number 5 blades, but this opens the imagination, guys, because now you can use this as the base to hold up a scrolled piece and then a clock in the middle. This is epic, and I really love what he's done with this here. So, you know what? I need to get a design made for that, and maybe I'll bring that to you in the next couple weeks on the show. Wow. Well, this is awesome. I gotta go calm down for a bit. Just hang on a second. And there you have it. Unboxing or unpackaging viewer mail. Guys, I have a great time producing this show and bringing it to you here online. And I've always thought that I have the best group of viewers. You see other channels that get so much negativity down in the comments section, and although I do get some, it's pretty rare. I have a great bunch of viewers that really provide a positive atmosphere for anyone coming to the show that wants positive reinforcement and wants to learn how to do woodworking. And honestly, the generosity that has been shown here today by this package being sent to me is absolutely just, it's overwhelming to me. And although a lot of people might look at this and say, what is that stuff? Well, you know what? What this package is not only generosity, but Scroller Nation has provided me with the ability now to try something new, to try something different, especially with the liquid inlays, the different color of the flocking. We've got a different type of wood that I've never used, blades that I've never even seen before. So, I mean, how could you ever complain about something like this? Guys, I'm going to provide all the links below. This guy has been awesome sending this stuff. I'm going to provide the links below in case you're interested in getting yourself one of these horseshoe kits. Or even if you want to follow this guy on Instagram or check out his Facebook or whatever you want to do, honestly, I think you should. You owe it to yourself to check out what this guy has to offer, because he's one heck of a nice guy to send this all this way. I want to end today's show by sending out a great big thank you to Clayton for sending this package to me here. And you have really made it so that it has been an awesome start to my day and my weekend here in the shop. Your generosity absolutely overwhelms me. I'm not even sure what to say about it other than a heartfelt thank you. I love everything in the package, and I'm sure I'm going to have a blast with all of it. Guys, as I said, check out the links below for Clayton's stuff, and I want to thank you for tuning in this week. I know it's something different on today's show. It's something that I normally wouldn't do, but I just wanted to share this with you because if it makes my day, who knows, maybe by introducing you to something a little different, it might make your day as well. Guys, I want to thank you for tuning in this week. I hope that you've enjoyed the program. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell so you don't miss a notification for a future shows. And guys, I hope you're going to join me next week when I bring you yet another Alternative Tuesdays. The unboxing of a piece of viewer mail or a viewer's package. No. Let's not go down that road. Okay, cut the tape right there. Yeah. So what'd you do on the show today, Kenny? I checked out a viewer's package. Oh my. Okay, enough. Yeah, I'm here alone in my shop laughing at myself. Hang on.